How to install LinkedIn as app in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to install LinkedIn as an app. For that, you'll need to go to your Microsoft Store, open it up, and then on the search bar, search for LinkedIn, open it up, and then tap on the LinkedIn app and you'll see the get option right there. This is to download, just tap on it and then the LinkedIn app will be installed on your Windows 11. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.